Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And my name is Lady D for those of you who are new to my channel. Now I have something to share with you. I bought this a while back and I had not done anything with it because I wasn't ready, but I am ready to use it in a creation that I have in mind. And you might be asking yourself, what is that? It looks like a box with roses. Maybe it is, and maybe it's not. What could this be? Well, this is actually a jewelry box. Look at this beauty. I bought it a while back. I usually shop at flea markets, thrift stores, and yard sales, and that is where I buy most of these beautiful items. So I want to show you this up close because if I ever shared it, must have been a long time ago and you probably don't remember even if you've been following me. But this is a jewelry box. Now if I remove the drawers, let's see. Okay, I want to do it carefully. As you can see, this is the drawer. So the roses are inside of the case. See what I'm saying? Those roses are already permanently in there. There's no way that I'm going to remove them from there. So they're staying in there. And look at how roomy this is. I'm thinking if I flip it this way, looks like a nice closet. If I flip it this way, and I have 3 of them, I can actually use them in a miniature florist. So I am going to be creating a miniature florist, and I will be using these 3. And once I remove all the drawers, I am also going to use the interior of this jewelry box for the same florist. Look at that. And again, I can flip this sideways like that. You see what I'm saying? So picture this in a miniature florist. So we have the flowers encased, and I have room for other plants and flowers in here. So stay tuned for this miniature florist coming, and you will see these again. I hope that you have enjoyed this idea, and thank you so much for watching.